So the County Council made the third river crossing one of its top priorities, and after many years of a desire of the locals and also the county councils to have a third crossing. My name's Tim Ellis. I work for Norfolk County Council and I've been the project manager since 2019.
I'm Jack Sindhu. I'm the Technical Director for Capital Concrete. I've been in the concrete industry for around 35 years and my role in this project was from inception through to delivery.
I'm Phil Gagan. I work for BAM and obviously as part of this I work for BAM Farron's JV.
My name's Dan Underhill. I'm the Special Project Manager for Camper Concrete Pumps.
It's in recognition to improving the local highway network, attracting investment to the area, creating jobs and in generally to give people a better way of life. The bridge now provides good network communications from the A47 at Harfridge roundabout across to the eastern side over the River Yare, to the local development areas, the enterprise zones and also to the port. The requirements of the port and the river to be navigable and with multiple openings during the day and at the same time maintaining the road network in and around the area.
To be involved in such a project is of huge importance, not just to me but to a lot of us who work for BAM in this region, and to say that you've been involved in such a major infrastructure project in Norfolk is a great importance.
The Herring Bridge in Great Yarmouth is a twin bascule bridge. Both leaves of the bridge utilise MagnaDense heavyweight concrete for their counterweights. MagnaDense ensures a significant reduction in the volume of material necessary to achieve the required density. This enables compact design and an easier construction than would otherwise be the case.
So density being most critical for the Herring Bridge, for the counterweight for the bridge. As with normal concrete, there's no difference to magnetite concrete. All concrete's the same, whether it's MagnaDense, normal, lightweight, whatever. There's no special precautions. We covered all the aggregate to make sure it wasn't corrosive. The mix design was quite robust and it was very, very repeatable. And the concrete from batch to site, there was nothing added on site.
We were involved at the very early conceptual design phase of how we were going to pump this concrete into the bridge deck, into the ballast section that was required.
Collaboration is key to successful delivery of a project like this. It's not only with the contractors, but it's with all the local stakeholders as well, who we had many. So it's keeping everybody informed, working with them to try and understand what their requirements are during the construction and just to make it as smooth for everybody as possible. I put a lot of importance on collaboration.
Yeah, we worked in a very collaborative way with ourselves, the designers, through to the concrete providers, and to ensure that everybody's happy with how we were doing the work. Providing that you have the lead in the collaboration and the testing, I would have no issues on using heavyweight concrete on other projects.
No, I wouldn't have any particular worries in using heavyweight concrete.
It's really, really sort of makes you feel proud to work with everybody to deliver such a fantastic project.
I've always been happy supplying MagnaDense concrete. It's not an issue.